Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to convert Spaylater into GCash. So if you don't know what is Spaylater, it is basically defined by the Shopee. So Shopee has its own feature which is called Spaylater, Shopee Pay Later, where you can just pay your money later into your Shopee, whichever products you buy from there, right? So the very first thing you have to do is just open your GCash mobile application. You can download it from here if you want. Now just go back to your Shopee, check SPayLater balance, ensure that your SPayLater balance account is active and you have sufficient balance, right? So it's very important. Now find a merchant, locate a nearby merchant that accept SPayLater and for cash out transaction. You can ask if they have GCash merchant QR code for the purpose, right? So here they are. Here I'm just giving you a simple, option to do this. Basically, you can just pay your money from Pay Later to some guy and make sure that guy has a GCash, so that person can return that same money into GCash. Right. So this is the only solution because there's a no other solution that how you can transfer money from Pay Later to GCash, which doesn't support anywhere, right? So this is very important, right? And it's a little bit hassle to find the person who accept both the payment system. So this is it, guys. I hope you found this information, and if you want to know anything else, let me know in the comment box. I will surely reply on it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.